Say hello to the tree-munching giant, the Westech Woodcracker R900. This beast doesn't negotiate with wood. It bites, grips, and shreds with raw hydraulic authority, turning solid trunks into debris in seconds. Power and precision move as one. The real question is simple. Can it reduce a stubborn stump to splinters before you even blink? Watch closely. Looking for a true land-clearing monster? The FAE T475 devours everything in its path. With 475 horsepower and a 20-ton chassis planted firmly into unforgiving terrain, this machine doesn't flinch. Rocks, roots, uneven ground, it pushes through without drama. Tough terrain isn't a challenge, it's an invitation. Selective cutting may look aggressive, but forestry isn't chaos, it's strategy. Mature trees that have reached their peak are removed to reduce competition, allowing younger growth to thrive. This is sustainable forestry in action, calculated, deliberate, and built to protect the ecosystem for generations. Now meet the Ponce Ergo. Built to dominate massive Douglas fir and grand fir stands with surgical precision. The active frame, C5 crane, and H8 head operate in perfect harmony. Every motion is smooth, every cut is controlled. Less downtime means more timber. More timber means serious output. With a price ranging from $275,000 to $385,000, it's not cheap, but productivity like this pays its own way. The John Deere 1270 E8WD is engineered for brutal terrain. A 255 horsepower engine paired with the H415 harvester head delivers consistent, precise cutting power. Advanced controls, dual hydraulic pumps, and a rotating cabin give operators full command in demanding environments. Performance and comfort, no compromises. Then there's the John Deere H425 Harvester Head Compact. Durable, relentless, precision cutting meets heavy-duty durability. It's built to handle punishing workloads without hesitation. Can anything stand against its cutting force? Watch and decide. Stubborn stumps don't stand a chance against the Dipper Fox SC 850 Pro. With massive torque and an 850mm diameter ripping head, it tears through root systems like they're paper. What once took hours now takes moments. The Promac HSL 60 standard flow mulcher delivers serious performance with a 6.0-inch cutting width. It handles branches and trees up to 6 inches thick using a variable torque piston motor and chip production rotor. Even mulch. Efficient processing. A 2,200-pound frame built for punishment. Forget the old lumberjack axe. The Frontier OS 27 slices logs cleanly and smoothly, offering a versatile mid-size solution for efficient wood processing. Clean cuts, consistent output, no wasted motion. Think that stump is permanent? The Bandit-style 3.1 horsepower stump grinder says otherwise. No compromise grinding, pure mechanical aggression. What looked immovable becomes dust in seconds. Not everything is powered by modern hydraulics. Skilled carpenters with nothing more than a disc saw and years of experience transform mahogany into flawless planks. Precision isn't always digital. Sometimes it's earned through calloused hands and repetition. Even with the raw pulling force of a Tatra 138 S3 and a heavy load behind it, some stumps resist. It takes a second determined pull to finally rip the obstacle free. In forestry, persistence wins. Steam-powered giants still stand as living engineering monuments, mechanical behemoths that have survived decades of work. Repurposed ponderosa pine salvaged after storms becomes bespoke furniture and high-end construction material. Nothing wasted, everything repurposed. A towering cedar falls in under 3 minutes in the hands of a master. Nature's giants can disappear in moments when precision and experience align. One clean notch, one proper hinge, execution matters. The Collar K300T Skyline system turns impossible slopes into workable ground. With a 4.4 kilonewton Skyline line pull and 1.8 kilonewton mainline pull, stretching hundreds of meters, it transforms steep terrain into opportunity, controlled power in extreme conditions. Years of experience refine movement until even dangerous cuts look effortless. High-altitude felling demands absolute focus. One shallow notch, one weak hinge. That's the difference between control and chaos. Safety isn't optional. It's survival. The Kenworth W900 climbs brutal inclines with its Cummins X15 engine, unleashing 605 horsepower and 2,050 pounds-feet of torque. Gravity pulls. The truck answers. Heavy-duty suspension and Meritor axles hold firm as each meter uphill becomes a mechanical battle won. The Albach Diamond 2000 dominates with a 790 horsepower MAN engine, 80 kilometers per hour top speed, and a 1,230 millimeter feeding width. Its 10.1 meter crane reach handles massive logs with ruthless efficiency. This isn't just processing, it's industrial scale domination. The Denny Simaf Da 080C mulcher pairs perfectly with medium excavators like the Takeuchi TB 175, an 8.1 centimeter cutting width, handling branches up to 10 centimeters, operating at 65 liters per minute, hydraulic flow, compact but brutally effective. link belt 3,740 log loader grips and stacks timber with authority, loading a Kenworth W900 in the rugged hills of Concrete, Washington. Fifth load of the day, no slowdown. Machine strength matched by operator skill. The Petzolato TLC 1300 brings precision sawing with a 37 to 45 horsepower electric motor and a massive 1,300 millimeter disc. It handles logs up to 510 millimeters in diameter, delivering splitting force between 32 and 45 tons. Clean processing, relentless output. The Dahlin BMT 2054 compact wood processor runs on a 40 to 70 horsepower tractor, handling logs up to 40 centimeters in diameter. Automatic feeding, output conveyors, customizable splitting into 2, 4, 6, or 8 pieces, efficient firewood production without wasted effort. In seconds, a massive redwood collapses. Something that stood for decades disappears almost instantly. That's the scale of forestry, immense power controlled by calculated precision. Navigating treacherous roads loaded with oversized logs tests more than horsepower. Sharp turns, steep grades, unforgiving terrain. It demands courage, focus, and absolute control. This is raw forestry. No shortcuts, no illusions, just machines, skill, and the raw force of timber meeting steel.